Well, I bought myself this Dash mini toaster oven. I've used it 5 times already and it works quite well. The only disadvantage I found to it, it's only got one temperature setting. It's 400 degrees. So I'm going to install a temperature probe with dial, and I'm going to place it right in here, and so I can have more control of what I'm baking. I found when I made a quiche, it was a little too hot, and even when I did the pizza, it cooked a little too fast. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and I'm hoping that it's going to work out 100%. I'll let you know. Well, I got to take it apart. Haven't done it before. We'll have a look to see what's required. I've got a little tray underneath here for cleaning up. A little front access on here too, so I wonder if that'll pull off. Don't know. It doesn't want to pull off, maybe. Let's see. Oh, there's a screw here too. Now, there we go. Whoops. I have to take the door off. And the screws underneath here. See, it comes off now. Oops. There we go. Spring for the door. Let's see if I can. Oh, there's a little lever on here. I want to make sure I have enough room for the new switch, so I'm going to have to take this front panel off. There's a little tab on here, and the one on the other side I'm going to have to bend the tabs up and take the front cover off. Look on. Oh, Raven, look out. So I got the front cover off. Had to remove the springs for the door. I'm not going to pull the door off the hinge. I'm going to see if the switch will fit in. It should fit in right about here. The knob, I'll set it about here. So it'll just a little big. Gonna have to do it so it's down, so that it opens up all the way and lift up, and it'll be off all the way down. And because it's raised up on the feet, I won't worry about this too much. I have to mark some holes where I can do some drilling. Need a hole for the 2 screws to hold it in place. The 2 screws here, and a hole for the center. Planet. Close enough. The hole here will be bigger than it's needed, just so I can play with it a little bit. And then the yellow wire here is for going to the heating elements. Say top one, bottom one. So bottom one's always on. The top one is the one's on the 400 degree. So I'm going to just do a little bit of there's a thermistor in here too, I believe. So I'm going to attach it. So I got my multimeter out. I'm going on the hot side of the plug, which is always a smaller one, and touch over here. And yes, that is our hot. Nothing here. Okay, so this is where I'm going to break open the circuit and go on to this side here with the new switch. So I'm just going to drill the holes and mount the switch, and I'll get back at you. Okay, I drilled the holes, mounted the switch on the thermostat. I've just got to hook up the wires now on here. I'm going to take this one, put it on here, and then put a jumper from here to here. So, and then I've got to route the thermostat inside the oven. Okay, I got it all wired up. Now let's put it back together and feed to the thermostat inside the oven. Okay, I've started to put it back together. Got the door back on. I still got to put the sides in. I've got the thermostat in. I drilled a hole on the side, another side, and I bent it a little bit so the piece fits in. So it's right in there. Put some heat shrink around the cable. It shouldn't affect it, but I figured better be safe than sorry, because it's just a sensor. And now I got to put the Max is inspecting the job. I'm just going to put the sides back on and test her out. Well, my Dash Mini Toaster Oven works great now. With the thermostat control, I've made quite a few meals. I've made some quiche in it, some homemade mini pizzas, did french fries, did bagel, and it works great. Also did a chicken burger. So yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out. Everything works fine. Everything's in place. And I hope you liked the video.